Hey, what up, Kipsters? In your lesson, I asked a question about why in the world would the Pope condemn Galileo to his home? And I just wanted to create this video to go over exactly why he would do that. Um, as you know, Galileo had a big following, meaning there were lots of people following his teachings and believing the things that he was talking about, which were proved to be true 300 years later. But at that time, it was hard for the church to understand the things that was happening that Galileo was saying were true. So it made it look bad that in the Bible it said something that Galileo was proving to be false. So it the question is really, why would the Pope choose to condemn Galileo to his home? And quite simply, the reason why he would do that is because he didn't want Galileo to be able to teach anyone or show anyone else what he had learned. It was already hard on the church, because Galileo had taught a lot of people what he had learned, but the Pope condemned him because he didn't want him to teach anyone else anything, and he knew that if he had to stay at home all the time, that it would be hard for him to teach people what he had learned. So that's the reason why the Pope wanted to condemn Galileo, was because he knew that if he was out still and not condemned, meaning if he was just out being a free person, he would teach a lot more people, and that would make the church look kind of bad, right? Because what it said in the Bible, Galileo was proving to be not true. So that is why the Pope wanted to condemn Galileo to his home, so that he could not teach anyone else anything that he had learned. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Thank you for watching my video. Have a great rest of your day. I love doing these videos. I hope you guys enjoy them. I hope to see you all soon. Have a great rest of your day and rest of your week. I love you. Goodbye.